This video tutorial I will cover how to reference static methods and members using Spring expression language. Here I have defined the class address. It has two static fields, state and country. And it has get full address method, which is static method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has four properties: ID, name, employee state, and employee full address. And get and setter methods for these properties. Here I have overridden toString method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file, and it creates employee object, and ID value will be set as 10, name value will be set as Peter, and here I am accessing state field of address class, and the value of state field will be assigned to employee state property, which is Karnataka. Here state field is static field. Here I am calling get full address method of address class, and the result will be set to employee full address property. Here get full address method is a static method. Here I have defined a class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container, and displaying that.